Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and inviting tilapia fish stew. Okay, if you want to see how I made this recipe, please don't forget to sit back and watch this video till the end. Thank you very much for clicking on my video. You're welcome to my channel once again. Okay, let's get started. So guys, these are all the ingredients that we're going to be needing for this recipe. I'm going to drop all the list on the description box so you can check it out. So right now, as you can see, my tilapia fish was already washed and salted. So I just placed my vegetable oil on my cooking pot and preheat it. So I'm just adding my tilapia fish to fry it. So I'm going to leave my tilapia fish in the hot oil till it's properly dry and golden brown. So I'm just going to flip it over to the other side. At this moment, my fish is properly dried. I'm going to take it off and put it in a place where it can drain off the excess oil from it. So at this moment, I'm just going to take off from my vegetable oil. I'm still going to use the same oil I use in frying my tilapia fish. So I'm just putting in some garlic and ginger, some chopped garlic and ginger. And I'm going to add in my chopped onion. So I'm going to add in my thyme and I'm going to leave it to stir fry for some minutes. So at this moment, my onion is properly cooked. I'm just going to add in my blended tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, and my red bell pepper that I blended together. I'm just going to put it in the hot oil and leave it to cook. So I'm going to stir it up and cover it and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes until it's properly cooked and dry, until all the water in it is dried up. The reason why I cover it is to avoid hot tomato to splash on my body. So at this moment, I'm just adding my 1 chicken stock powder and some little salt. I already used some salt to season my fish, so I'm very careful on adding more salt. So I'm adding in 2 spoons of crayfish powder, and I'm going to add in my all-purpose seasoning. So guys, as I said earlier, I'm going to drop all the list of the ingredients I use for this recipe so you can check it out on the description box. So I'm adding some curry powder, and as you can see, at this moment my tomato is getting dry. The water in it is getting dry. You can see the oil on top. That shows that your stew is getting cooked. So I'm just going to put in my tilapia fish at this moment. For some reason, I don't know why, the 4 of them, they just feel like sticking together. I think maybe they are feeling some cold. So guys, that's it. I'm just going to put in my tilapia fish and leave it to cook for 10 more minutes, as I want the taste from the tilapia fish to get inside my stew. So guys, that's the end result of my tilapia fish stew. It came out very nice. I hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Like this video, drop a comment for me, share. Thank you very much. Till I see you on my next video. Bye.